American Express revealed their Q4 and full year 2023 earnings and the 2024 future guidance. And spoiler alert, they were pretty good. In today's video, I will analyze the Q4 results while also digging deeper into the reasons for their success. I will argue that American Express is like a luxury brand in the credit card space. American Express, or Amex for short, is one of the most recognized and respected brands in the world, especially in the financial services industry. The company offers a variety of products and services, such as credit cards, travel, rewards, and business solutions. However, there is nothing innovative about that. There are a bunch of other banks that offer these services and a lot of new fintech companies that want to disrupt this market. But what makes American Express stand out from the competition? And why do some customers love it so much? I believe there are two key reasons for this. First, let's talk about brand loyalty. American Express has a loyal and engaged customer base who trust and respect the company's brand image and reputation. The company has a high retention rate and a low churn rate, which basically means that once someone becomes their customer, it tends to stay that way. American Express customers also tend to recommend the company's products to others, and the second and most important reason in my opinion, exclusivity. American Express is more selective and exclusive than other credit card companies, as it targets customers with higher income and credit scores and offers premium products and services. American Express also charges higher fees to merchants who accept its cards, which means that some merchants may not accept American Express cards at all. This creates a sense of prestige and status for American Express customers who feel special and privileged. American Express also has some of the most coveted and exclusive cards in the market, such as the Centurion card, also known as the Black Card, which is only available by invitation and has a $10,000 initiation fee and a $5,000 annual fee. Let's talk about the stock performance. AXP reported record revenues and profits for the full year 2023, beating expectations and showing strong growth across its segments. The company also provided an optimistic outlook for 2024, indicating that it is confident in its business momentum and customer engagement. Let's take a closer look at the numbers and see what they mean for investors. First, let's talk about the revenues. American Express delivered revenues of $60.5 billion for the full year 2023, up 14% from $52.9 billion in 2022. This is the highest revenue in the company's history and reflects the recovery and growth of its core business segments, such as card member spending, fee-based products, and network services. The company also reported revenues of $15.8 billion for the fourth quarter of 2023, up 11% from $14.2 billion in the same quarter of 2022. This is also the highest quarterly revenue in the company's history and reflects the strong holiday season and travel demand. Second, let's talk about the profits. American Express reported profits of $8.4 billion for the full year 2023, up 11% from $7.5 billion in 2022. This is also the highest profit in the company's history and reflects the improved operating efficiency and credit performance of the company. The company also reported profits of $1.9 billion for the fourth quarter of 2023, up 23% from $1.6 billion in the same quarter of 2022. This is also the highest quarterly profit in the company's history. Third, let's talk about the earnings per share. American Express reported earnings per share of $11.21 for the full year 2023, up 14% from $9.85 in 2022. This is, you guessed it, the highest earnings per share in the company's history, reflecting strong revenue and profit growth. The company also reported earnings per share of $2.62 for the fourth quarter of 2023, up 27% from $2.07 in the same quarter of 2022. This is also the highest quarterly earnings per share in the company's history, so you get the point. AXP stock is not undeservedly at all-times high. For 2024, American Express expects revenue growth of 9% to 11% and earnings per share between $12.65 and $13.15. This guidance is higher than the consensus estimates of analysts, who expected revenue growth of only 8%. Did I mention that they are also paying a dividend, which was actually increased by 17% to 70 cents per share? American Express does not dilute shareholders. They are, in fact, actively buying back their shares. These actions reflect the company's confidence in its financial performance and its commitment to return capital to its shareholders. The only concerns I currently see are lower consumer spending and loans as a broad economical trend, as well as their merchant network not expanding because of the higher fees. However, due to the type of customers they have, American Express is somewhat protected from this. The high-income customers they have will continue to spend, and merchants and business want to attract these customers, so they will continue accepting American Express cards. So, is American Express a luxury brand in the credit card space? Based on the aspects I mentioned, I would say yes. American Express offers a unique and premium experience to its customers, who value its rewards, service, loyalty, and exclusivity. American Express is not for everyone, but for those who can afford it and appreciate it, it is a luxury brand that delivers on its promise. Would I buy a AXP stock at the current price? Well, it currently sits above all-time highs, so at this price I would say no. However, I am keeping the shares I already have, enjoying the dividend increase, and in case of significant pullbacks, such as around $150, I would buy some more. This one definitely stays on my watch list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.